I now want to talk about third-party libraries. These are other libraries that exist outside of the standard library. They are created by other individuals, teams, corporations, organizations, just any other group or individual that is not officially associated with Python. So these are libraries that are not shipped with the standard library. So there are actually over 100,000 more third-party libraries that exist that have been created just by anybody else to do different tasks. So, other people, the standard library doesn't have every possible, thing to do in Python. So what other people have done is they've created libraries for these specific tasks, and then you can use those libraries, but you just have to install them. So all of these libraries are found at this Python packaging index. So a package is just another name for a one particular library. And if we look over here, I actually have already opened up the web page. It's pronounced pypy.org. So Python packaging index, and you can search for projects. They give you a ability just to browse. So this is one place where you can find all of these other third-party packages that don't come with the standard library. So in order to install them, you have to use a package manager. So we talked about this during the installation part of the course. We are using Conda, but you can also use pip to install them. There's instructions on the documentation for these third-party libraries exactly how to install them. Usually it's like Conda install library name or pip install library name. I actually have some libraries of my own that I've developed under this dexplo.org website. So if you go over here, these are all the different libraries that I've created. They're mainly have to do with data analysis, visualization. Bar chart race is one of the more popular ones. This one just creates this animated bar chart race of data over time. So I built a few more, but so I've able to create some and upload them onto this Python packaging index where anyone else can go on and find it and download it and then use that library immediately. Okay, so these are third-party libraries. We will not use any in this course, but there are many third-party libraries, for many different applications, whether it's the web or data science, machine learning, just games, all sorts of different libraries that other people have put together that are just not found, are not part of the standard library. And then you import them just as normal. So on my machine, I have the most popular one that I use is Pandas, and this is for doing data analysis and usually import it and alias it like as PD. So this is a third-party library. It is not part of the standard library, and this is something I had to install separately with Conda. All right, so that's it for third-party libraries.